In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a rounding error in Excel. We will do it with a simple function called round, so you can control exactly how many decimals your numbers show and use in calculations. Now look at the cell that holds the original number you want to round. In the example for this video, that cell is A1. You might see something like a long price or measurement with many decimal places. Even if Excel only displays 2 decimals, the hidden extra digits can cause totals that look slightly off. Next up, click the cell where you want the rounded result to appear. This can be right next to A1, such as B1, or anywhere else on your sheet. You should see the green border move to that cell, and the formula bar at the top will be empty, waiting for your formula. Once that is ready, type the round function exactly as the formula you see on screen. Type equals round, then an opening bracket, then a 1, then a comma, then the number 2, and finally a closing bracket. It should look like equals round A1, 2 when spoken out loud. After that, press enter on your keyboard to confirm the formula. As soon as you do, Excel calculates the rounded value and shows it in the cell you selected. You will notice that the number now has exactly 2 decimal places and any tiny rounding difference from hidden digits is gone. At this point, understand what the 2 in the formula controls. That second argument tells Excel how many decimal places to keep. So in equals round A1, 2, Excel keeps 2 decimals, which is perfect for money values like prices, taxes, or totals that should show cents. From there, remember how round actually works on the number in A1. It does not just cut off extra digits. It looks at the next digit and rounds up or down, the same way you learned in school. So a value like 1.236 becomes 1.24 with 2 decimals. Now, a quick tip that helps many beginners. If the cell A1 is empty when you enter equals round A1, 2, Excel will return 0. That can surprise you if you were expecting a blank. To avoid that, make sure A1 already has the number before you apply the round function. With that ready, you can easily copy the round formula down a column if you have more numbers. Drag the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula, and Excel will apply equals round A2, 2, A3, 2, and so on, adjusting for each row automatically. You have now used the round function to fix rounding errors in Excel by rounding the value in a 1 to 2 decimal places. If this helped clean up your numbers, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple Excel fixes.